Yes, get ready. Start. For him who has conquered the mind, the mind is the best of friends. But for one who has failed to do so, his mind will remain the greatest enemy. Are our schools and colleges preparing children for life in today's bizarre times? We must deepen our connection with life and people. The essence of life is in unity and harmony. Your oneness with all, and so is the purpose of true education. Daily, we read of actions and behavior of youngsters that show an absence of self regulation, ethics, and a sense of social responsibility. Environmental degradation adds to the madness. In such a scenario, how do we nurture the youth into a balanced person, abiding by harmony? Education today is synonymous with degrees, securing maximum marks and attractive placements, causing avoidable anxiety, even suicides. You need a different kind of resourcefulness to deal with the daunting challenges of life, how you will handle yourself and others. This is the new yardstick to access people. Creativity and innovation seem to flow from ideas with multiple perspectives, albeit coupled with an open mind that embraces the new and the unfamiliar. It is then that we keep reinventing ourselves. This promotes personal growth, robust health, and higher academic achievement as well. The mind, the most powerful organ of the human body, comes into play. You take charge of the mind, you end up taking charge of your life, and a mindful journey begins from within. How do we organize and empower the mind? You, your mind, close the door. Only your mind can open that door to understand the nature of mind and what is happening inside it. We are living in pattern and habits and following recurrent pathways daily. The first step is to clear the mind of all negative thoughts and develop new paradigms that are in harmony with the reality we want. We must not stop there, otherwise, it will not metamorphose into a journey. Think of your mind as having two parts: the conscious or logical mind that controls 5% of your life is creative and open to choices in life. It is a thin veneer of awareness covering a more powerful subconscious or habit mind, the part responsible for habits, beliefs, and behaviors that works on autopilot. It stores all the past life experiences or impressions, and the appropriate one is recalled in response to a given situation. 95% of your life is an expression of the programs in the subconscious. The point of concern is that most of the past impressions take root when you are still a child, with your mental capacity and judgment seriously limited. This biological blueprint carries socially unacceptable, painful emotions and traumatic memories that disempower you, cause anxiety, and block you from doing what you are now capable of. Full stop.